Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable Instagram story comments. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to be taken to your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner and then scroll down underneath how others can interact with you and select comments. And then where it says who can comment, select stories. And then you can select everyone or people you follow. And then that's pretty much all you have to do. And then you are good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.